Bitcoin is just 10% from its all-time high. You want to know the last information about the crypto world and Bitcoin? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host for the most, Rodrigo Arnedo. We are ready. Like this guy, remember previous videos? But before telling you everything about the crypto world, I want some pizza. Maybe you too. Do you know that next week we have Pizza Day? Well, we are going to celebrate it, and you can celebrate it with us if you want. You have no idea whatsoever what is Bitcoin Pizza Day? Then watch one of the 3 videos we have. Just search it on our YouTube channel and get to know about Laszlo Hayek and how he spent 10,000 Bitcoin into 2 pizzas. And we are going to celebrate that with our friends, our partners on CoinEX. You have the link in the description below to the exchange. We are celebrating Bitcoin. We are celebrating with them in a party in Madrid. It's going to be on Wednesday, May the 22nd from 8 to 11 p.m. The idea, if you can go to Madrid by your own means, then you can participate in the draw for some tickets, because we're going to be around 40 people, something like that, I believe. I'm going to be there. Part of my team is going to be there too. So if you want to participate, you have a link in the description below. You need an account on CoinEx. That would be the first step. So use the link in the description below. And then click on the form, and you have to fill like your email, name, your ID. So that's why you need your CoinEx wallet download. That's why you have the ID, and you can then participate. So do that and join us in the celebration of the Bitcoin Pizza Day with our friends in the great exchange that make you things easy, like CoinEx, of course. And learning more about Pizza Day, you can see here prices of Bitcoin since 2010. In 2011, $7, then 522, 520. You can see $4 was 0.004, and well, that was the price. Sorry, this is the amount of one pizza. This is the price of Bitcoin at the time, and he spent 10,000 of this in order to buy those pizzas. Then we went all the way to $37,000 in a 22 of May, and now we are the latest data we have is 29,000. So what will happen here? You have with Rodri and TradingView, of course, the best charts. Remember to smash the like button. This is May history. May is when we have Pizza Day, and you can see that since May we are up more than 150%. We'll see where we close. Also, remember the video we dedicated to May and how 1, 2, 3, the last 3 times we have a May in the red. We'll see about that. And Bitcoin today trying to break the price, the high we had in 66,687. And today's title for this video is that we are just from that point 10% to the all-time high. So is that difficult to do? Well, you can see this is just the same that we did 2 days ago. That's what we need to be really, really close for Bitcoin to a new all-time high. So is that possible? I believe it's so possible. I have no clue. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, but you can see we had it just here. So why not one more and we break again a new all-time high? We need dollar to go down. Remember the death cross we told you about, and you see the stock market went down yesterday in United States, but it's going up today in Asia. So that may be a good piece of information. Also, it's interesting that the Dow Jones Industrial Average has hit $4,000 for the first time in history. You can see this record here, and you can play with the idea if Bitcoin is following or not the stock market. You can see the spam, for example, and you can see how, yes, we are following it. Also, if we go back a little bit more, you can see that First is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the one that goes up, and then is Bitcoin. So first the stock market and then crypto usually following. Here we have the down going down, and crypto was going down already. So yeah, for the good, it's better the stock market. For the bad, is faster Bitcoin. Remember, we told you all about this in previous videos, so watch them all. The data we have there still is valid, and today Crypto Robert telling us that Bitcoin might go to $70,000 because we have there a lot of liquidity. So many shorts would be liquidated there. And remember this song?
So, boy, you care more about your currency than
The Crypto Boy song.
us.
Well, really interesting one. It's been 2 years. In that song, this girl was making fun of the crypto bros like ourselves, like she's not interested in a crypto bro. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below in case you wanna listen to the song.
Mention NFTs one more time, and it's scary.
Really nice one, but we might have trouble with the rights. Any case, the idea is that, well, 2 years since that song, we are, you can see the point here, 150% up. So you better have bought some Bitcoin instead of singing songs criticizing us. That would mean 150% of revenue. And we have some good news today. Well, we know that the CNMV group, the world's largest future exchange, is planning on launching Bitcoin, of course. But more than that is that you see that Bitcoin ETF iBitFlow has been flat since 24th of April. And finally, we see some life again. Net inflow at 93 million. And here, the net inflow for the day, 3 million in the ETFs. And you can see Grayscale is non-zero. They are not selling anymore. And yeah, retail buying all those ETFs. Now, Eric Balchunas said, well, we have some record here. IBIT ended up with 414 reported holders in its first 13F season, which is mind-blowing, blows away record. Even having been 20 holders as a newborn is really crazy, highly rare. You can see here a look of the Bitcoin ETFs compared to other ETFs launched in January. So yeah, you can see that very, very interesting for the investors, those ETFs. And this is a huge news today. Legislation in United States that would overturn SEC rule preventing highly regulated financial firms from custodying Bitcoin and crypto passes the Senate. This is crazy. The idea is that they are going to say no to that bill that was going to mostly stop crypto in United States, no custody, crazy stuffs. And now Biden has a very tough situation because he can stop it, but some believe that might be a political suicide. A veto would be a very bad idea there. So maybe he would just do nothing. And if he does nothing, the bill will be approved. So that means that finally, as Senator Cinia Loomis is saying us, this marks the first time Congress has passed a standalone crypto legislation. We are just getting started. This is not against Bitcoin, but the other way around. And it had so many people voting yes, 60 votes in favor, just 38 against it. So both parties saying yes at some level. And of course, Elizabeth Warren, she's not happy. You can see how AI reflects how she's feeling today because she was happy with the bill banning everything. So bad news for you today, Elizabeth Warren. And what about Turkey? Turkey's parliament is expected to vote today on the proposed law on amendments to the capital markets law, which defines and regulates Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for the first time in the country. So good for Turkey too. And remember that about regulation and taxes, we are in tax season in Spain. You need coin tracking to track your portfolio and to do your homework. So you still have time. Use the link in the description below today. 10% discount. If you need a payment version, remember, maybe you need that in the future. So use the link today, even though you can use it for free, in case in the future you have so many trades and you need a payment version. And we have a very good piece of information from Coin Tracking today. It's finally here. Pleased to announce that now we are going to have IOTA, ShimmerNet, all that imported to Coin Track it in a few clicks. I'm going to try it. I will tell you about it, but you can go right now to Coin Tracking, link in the description below, and try it out for yourself. And more good news, Tether Treasury minted 1 billion USDT again. So that's usually good news for the market because they create this, they mint this because people are asking for it. And another good piece of information, we have a whale just buying 101.7 Bitcoin, over $6.7 million. So maybe you are considering buying or not, maybe $100, things like that. Well, you can see people buying $6-7 million because they believe this is a good price for Bitcoin. We are greedy then, 74 today, even though we have a bad piece of information, the idea that the new CEO of Vanguard, even though he was in favor of ETS for Bitcoin, now in Vanguard, he says that he's okay that they don't have it. Probably they are lying to us, but we'll see. The market is in the green and we are so happy because of that. Ethereum is above $3,000, which is good. And you can see here from Max that Ethereum, some people are against it, but you can see it's always pump, sideways, pump, sideways, pump, sideways, pump, sideways. And now we are waiting for a new pump. And yeah, many altcoins outperform Ethereum. But what do you expect from a coin already at 350 billion in market cap? That's the safety between the risk, an altcoin with a lot of history, or a small gem that may make you millionaire, who knows, or lose everything. Remember, the bubbles are in the green. Chainlink is a good one. We have good news, partnering with good companies in order to tokenize assets. That's probably why this real world asset Ondo is also going up today. And meme coins are going down. So today we change gears between dogs and frogs and other stuff. And here on dextools.io, you have, of course, the hot and the winners of the day. Remember GME? Well, it's going down in the stock market. And yeah, we are waiting now to see if Dogecoin starts going up, as we told you in previous videos. You want to know about that? Watch previous video. And do not miss out about Trezor. They have a new piece of information, very, very interesting. I leave you all the details in the description below, and I leave you a link to buy a Trezor. And remember, if you buy a Trezor from 15th May to the end of this month, we will tell you everything next week in a dedicated video. You might have one Trezor for free. A Trezor set 3 for free. And then you can stake your Ethereum with the Trezor. They are so excited to announce they support Ethereum staking in Trezor should stake as little as 0.1 ETH in just a few clicks. It's secure and simple. Start earning rewards with the top tier staking service by Everstake Pool. So interesting, I'm gonna do that and I will tell you in that video. Of course, remember, you buy one, you might have the Trezor for free. And we'll see about Dogecoin. Here the chart is going up, but the market is, so who knows. And remember also we have 3x on Over the Reality. So go there and map, link in the description below. Also to those invites that you have because you are a rider. 3x on your lands and 3x on the probability for having a hiding reward in those. So take advantage of that. And talking about partners, and to remember, this is your daily reminder to earn 10% APY on your Solana with M2. I'm gonna create a video about this next week. You have Trezor and you have M2. But if you don't want to wait, use the link in the description below, deposit some crypto, convert it into Solana, and start earning not a 6%, but a 10% when Solana might be up for new highs. We'll see about that. And remember, this is just a sum up of all our partners that Bybit gives you 25 euros if you use the link in the description below and you don't have the debit crypto card that we prefer. Then you have cashbacks and you have so many opportunities of winning with Bybit, of course. And about technology, did you have trouble with iMessage? Well, it went down, now it's up. But remember that Bitcoin is up almost always, 99.989% of the time. Bitcoin has been working non-stop, a really nice network. And what about AI? Well, OpenAI partnering with Reddit to bring its content to ChatGPT and new products. And that's why the stock market for Reddit just went up when they knew this piece of information. Also, I have Grok in my desktop. I told you not in my cell phone, but I have it in my cell phone already. So yeah, just try Grok and tell me how you feel about that. We tell you everything about that in our channel, AI News. And if I refresh the site, you'll see that we have a new video today. We told you everything about OpenAI News, and then we told you everything about Google Gemini News. It's just released, so go there. It's a brand new video that you don't have to miss. And if you are tired, I understand. Be careful. You try to get to your goal, but sometimes we fail. It's okay. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Sometimes you believe you are a rabbit and you're not. You are a cat, crazy cat jumping like a rabbit. Exhausted we are, of course. Well, let's chill for a little bit like this cat is doing. But if you want to keep on learning, of course, one of the videos we have here with CryptoNews, Fun on the Ride, Rodrigo, Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come.